All right, this is going over your measurement conversions homework. So we're not going to follow the directions with drawing arrows to the different cards and whatnot. I'm just going to solve each of the problems that we did and help you make sure you have the correct steps and answers. So, box A, how many ounces are in 4 pints? If I have 4 pints, I'm looking to see how many ounces that is. My conversions reference sheet that we used in class tells us that if we have 1 pint, we have 16 ounces. So cross multiply and divide. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 divided by 1 is 64. So 4 pints, you have 64 ounces. B, a recipe calls for 40 ounces of meat. And we want to know how many pounds we have. So, using my reference sheet, I know that 1 pound has 16 ounces. So 40 times 1 is 40, and then we need to solve 40 divided by 16 to figure out that that is 2.5 pounds. 40 ounces is the same thing as 2.5 pounds. We are skipping box C. D, Justice needs 24 feet of fencing to surround his garden. The fencing is priced at 25 cents per inch. How much will it cost Justice to fence in his garden? Well, I can't really compare 24 feet and then find the cost for inches. So what we're going to do first is know that 1 foot has 12 inches, and since we have 24 feet, we're going to figure out how many inches that is. So cross multiply and divide. 24 times 12 gives us 288. So we have 288 inches to fence in our garden, okay? Now we can do 288 inches times 0.25 to figure out how much our fence is going to cost us. When you multiply that by 0.25, you figure out that our fence will cost $72. E, a Ford F-150 truck is considered a half-ton truck because that is how much it can haul. How many pounds can the truck haul? Our measurement conversion sheet says that 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So you can cross multiply and divide by 1, or you can realize that 1 ton is 2,000, so half of that is equal to 1,000. F, 2,500 centimeters is equal to how many meters? Our conversion sheet says that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So if you cross multiply and then divide, 2,500 divided by 100 equals 25. If you have 2,500 centimeters, you have 25 meters. G, a regulation baseball field measures 90 feet between each base. What is the distance around the bases in yards? Okay, so we need to figure out yards. I know that 1 yard is 3 feet. So cross multiply and divide. 90 divided by 3 is 30. There are 30 yards between each of the bases. Last one. NBA regulations require the basketball court to be 94 feet long. And we want to know how many inches is the length of the court. So if I have 1 foot, I know that's 12 inches. So cross multiply and divide by 1. 12 times 94 equals 1,128 inches for the length of our basketball court.